Sandra Fuentez with Fuentez Law. If you can't make up, we'll help you break up. Quick breakdown on who gets what in divorce. Well, Texas is a community property state. Generally, that means that anything you or your spouse purchased or acquired during your marriage is considered community property. That means that either of you is entitled to a minimum of 50% of an asset's value, but you're also going to have to pay 50% of the debt as well for any debt that was started and accumulated during your marriage, whether it's just in your name, jointly, or your spouse's name. It all goes into the same community pot, basically. Texas is going to look at you as one for purposes of dividing property and debt. So typically how we break down who gets what is we put it all in a spreadsheet, assets value and debt values, and try to allocate to what's important to each spouse to keep at the end of the divorce. That will be also how a judge will consider it. They're going to look at your inventory and appraisement and consider your proposed property division. Anything that you had prior to marriage or that you inherited during your marriage, that will stay your separate property. So those type of items will not be considered something that your spouse can get. Bye. Have a great day.